Hey guys, tonight we're slipping into a military tent somewhere in northern Italy, where the air smells like gunpowder residue, horse sweat, and the kind of ambition that keeps a man pacing until dawn. It's 1796, and you're standing in the cramped canvas quarters of a 26-year-old general who's just been handed command of an army that most people expected would lose. The tent flap keeps lifting in the night breeze, letting in sounds of sleeping soldiers and the occasional whinny of an anxious horse. Honestly, you probably wouldn't last an hour here. The ground is hard, the blankets are scratchy, and there's a suspicious stain on the folding table that might be wine or might be something you'd rather not identify. So, before you get comfortable, take a moment to like the video and subscribe, but only if you genuinely enjoy what I do here. Tell me where you're listening from and what time it is there. I'm curious if you're winding down for bed or if you're listening at some odd hour while doing dishes or pretending to work. Your pillow just asked for the rest of the story. Answer it by clicking the link in the description, subscribing to the channel, and letting every full video guide you gently into history-wrapped sleep.